Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're going to do our second deep dive into the parking lot sale. We're going to look at 30% off all jack stands. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And let's look at it. Hyping as well. Checking out the merch store. Maybe becoming a member. But let's jump in. 15% off. Anybody take advantage still today and tomorrow, so we still got some time. If you haven't taken advantage of the President's Day sale, 15% off any single item. Coupon code here, available on the website. But let's look at jack stands. And there's not too many. We got Daytona and we have Pittsburgh. So we'll just look at them in order of highest price to lowest price. So first, we have, and these, I want to say, maybe I'm wrong, are not the more popular ones. Of course, the 3-ton jack stands are right there in price, $50. Tend to get down to $35 recently. Used to go down as low as $25. Haven't seen that in a bit. But we have these 22-ton Daytona heavy-duty jack stands with locking pin in yellow. Great reviews. 210, pretty good deal going on right now at $150. Save $60 off of 210. It's about 29% off. 29% off. You're getting it for $150. That's pretty much the deal going on during the parking lot sale for these specific ones. But if you want to save an extra, what is it, $3? Wait for the parking lot sale. But good deal going on right now through the 26th compared to Carlisle. And at least these Napa ones are $440. Don't see the Carlisle ones, but it's close to what the link took me to. $440. Nuts. But 210 jack stands are built to the highest standards with the most safety features on the market. And actually, let's take a look. So they have a 19 and 7/8 inch lift height. So from 13 and 7/8 inch to 19 and 7/8 inch, which is, I would say, pretty standard. Ideal for auto, shop, farm, and truck services. Pin style, non-ratcheting. 3 positions at 3-inch intervals. High-grade steel pin. Large V-shaped saddle. 11-inch wide. Heavy-duty gauge steel base for stable support. Includes 2 stands. Engineered to comply with ASME PASE industry standards. They're 82 pounds, so about 40 pounds each. Which means there's some heavy boys. 22 tons, though, of course, makes sense. 90-day warranty. But what we want to look at is the Harbro, the Harbor Freight usage. And look at this. Look at this. Nuts. They're using this on a tank. Have been looking for jack stands for when working on tank suspension. So if you have a tank in your garage, these might be the ones to get. And in this case, they're saying they put these jack stands to the test and are highly surprised. Look at that. Proof is in the pudding. And this is a little bit more normal. They match the car. Most stable stands I've used in 50 years. Using it on an old tractor. Just a nice picture of them. A fire truck under a 4Runner. Look at that. These are my go-to jacks instead of my Snap-on. It's a Greyhound bus. 2-ton machinery here. A haul truck. And they're just using it for everything. These, I think I'm a little bit surprised. They even made some seats out of them. Not sure. I mean, at $200, getting them down to, even with this deal, getting them down to $147. Pricey for some stools. Plus, you're not getting the base or the seat cushion. But anyways, interesting use. Look at this. On a dump truck. Anyways, super surprised. Maybe I shouldn't be. But these Daytona 22-ton seem like an excellent deal. $150 right now for ITC. So if you can't wait, you get them now. We're getting them down to $147 during the parking lot sale. So that's the first ones. These are the ones I got, and I was trying to get 4 sets to do some small work on a small car. Thinking about making also a separate video on working on my old Honda Civic. But these are at $160. These don't tend to go on sale too often. These are the 12-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. Only one color. Says the same. Jack stands are built to the highest standards with the most safety features on the market. $160. And these are beasts of a thing. And this is a cool thing. 29 inches. Minimum is 19 3/4 inches. Max lift height is 29 3/8 inches. Let's get you a lot of space under a car. High quality steel, welded foot pads, dispersed load, 2 jacks, and then same thing, 90-day warranty. And let's see what people are working on. This is a thought that I had for my Civic. You don't have space in your garage. You don't want to spend $1,000 or $2,000 on some type of lift. I like the safety of the tires, but use four of these 12-ton jack stands, and you could get like a makeshift lift if you're going to be working under a car for an extended period of time, which I would plan on doing. 2,800-pound Porsche Boxster, 30 inches in the air in order to remove the engine. Super beefy jack stands. Feel very safe under the car knowing the overkill these stands are. Yep, tallest ones you can find. These will probably have likely some of the highest minimum and max heights. 30 inches max, about 20 inches minimum. Here's a good comparison of the 12 tons versus the little baby brothers, the 3-ton. Use them for the height on the travel trailer. Dump truck build for the height and the strength. Look at what you can do with these. If you own a Jeep or a large truck, these are the jacks for you. And those are the uses for some of these jack stands. Look at the 3-ton versus the 12-ton again. And those are the 12-ton heavy-duty jack stands. They rarely go on sale. They're at $160, and at 30% off, you're getting them down to $112 I think in the unicorn days, back in the good old days, they got down to about $100, maybe just sub $100. Maybe it was like $97, $98. Harbros, you remember, let me know. But at $112, that's pretty excellent still. So if you're looking at any of those uses that we kind of just covered, these are an excellent choice. Get it down to $112. It's about $60, less than $60 per these. That's crazy. It's a great deal. Next, we will look at the Pittsburgh 2-ton capacity underhoist safety stand. This underhoist work stand adjusts from 49 inches to 92 inches. This is in-store only. $90. 6 height adjustments. 3.5 by 4 1/8 inch saddle. Sturdy 24 by 21 tripod base. This is also 90-day warranty, but we will look at the reviews. This one I'm not. How are the Harbros using something like this? Take your time. You have to assemble these. Okay. Not a fan. Amazing price. Awesome quality and finish. Oh, there you go. Yikes. Look at this. 1967 Firebird. So using it to hold up underneath the lift. So this is if you have a lift. I guess that makes sense, right? If you're getting something that high. Difficult to assemble, but worked as expected. Pretty stout little jack stand. Pretty good product. It's a pain to assemble. And here you go. It's a little bit customized to be a little bit softer on whatever you're holding up. But that's the Pittsburgh 2-ton capacity underhoist safety stand. $90, but at 30% off. Getting it down to $63. So you could buy one, could buy two. What do the Harbros think? $63. We continue. Now down to the Daytona 6-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. And these they do have in multiple colors. Black, blue, villager blue, creeper green, pumpkin orange, and sunburst yellow. $80. And these are going to be similar. They'll have a 90-day warranty. But let's look at the specs at least. Lift height max 23, almost 24 inches, which is still a great height. Lift height minimum is 15.25 inch. About 40 pounds, so about 20 pounds per jack stand. A little bit less. And you're working with 6 tons. And I think these would be similar. 15 inches to 23.75 inch, ideal for repair, work, or storage. And I don't know if this is still an issue. We made a video on this a bit ago, but likely same quality. But for the OCD of you out there who want their jack stands to match exactly, it does appear like the 6-ton and the 3-ton were built in different manufacturers. And as you can see down here, there was slight differences in the max heights and min heights. Negligible. Minimum height over here was 15 1/8 inch. This is 15.25 inch. Same product number. And then same thing for the max heights, 24 inches versus 23.25 inch. So just something to be aware of if you do get the 6-ton or the 3-ton. Make sure they match. Maybe I'll put something up in the corner here to go back and review that video I did a little bit ago. Oh, and it's clearly an issue that's happened because people mentioned it multiple times. And then the rest is just similar working on Jeeps. Need that extra height to work on. Very good quality, very sturdy, very comfortable under the car. Best jack stands. That's a little show of how they're using it. Always tires there for extra safety. And does everyone just have Porsches they work on? This is going to be me, but not with the Porsche, with a Civic. And those are the 6-ton jack stands. Again, get them down to $63. And at this point, you are getting choice of color. We continue the 3-ton Daytona jack stands with circular pads. Flat top rubber saddles on these professional grade jack stands protects vehicles from scratches. And these are 3-ton and a little bit more pricey. I guess it is kind of nice that they come with the flat top rubber saddle. Great choice. Lift max height is 21, almost 22 inches. Minimum height is 13 and 13/16 of an inch, almost 14 inches. Ship weight is about 25, 26 pounds, which means they're coming in just about 10 pounds each jack stand, which sounds about right. Nice lift height though, max 21, almost 22 inches. Also a 90-day warranty. And these are compared to Esco. 10 adjustable height positions, more product height, more max height, more min height, same load capacity. One sold separately for the Esco. Anyways, about a $60 difference for these Daytona. But of course, getting them for 30% off. So you're down to $63, about $30 per stand. And since we've been looking, we'll look at the difference. Working on a Corvette, Z06, C5. Extra care there with the rubber saddle. Esco clone. Why spend $100 more? Working on a BMW. Flat top design is perfect for BMW's jack pad locations. Working on another Corvette. You guys are nice. Solid, stable support. Rounded feet, rubber pads are the plus here. Flat top and locking pin feature set these apart from the other stands, which makes sense. So the other Daytona stands, like the 3-ton, you have the option of buying the rubber toppers, but sometimes the flat top is just easier to work with and the pin. So that seems to be the difference. And again, the Daytona circular feet help them stay planted even when they're at their highest level. That seems to be a common theme with these circular padded jack stands from Daytona. I like the pads on top as well. Worth the extra money, especially when you have minimal space in your garage. So great options for restoration. This is what mine's going to look like. Old beat car. But that's the Daytona 3-ton jack stands with circular pads. Who has these, or who's going to look into getting these? They're a little bit pricier, but I think a great option. Then we have the Daytona 3-ton aluminum jack stands. Very well priced at $69.99. Weighing only 4.75 pounds. And clearly that's the difference here. Per stand for easy positioning, these rugged aluminum jack stands support 6,000 pounds. So these are 6 tons, support 6 tons. But of course, only 5 pounds per stand? That's nuts. I think the other ones were roughly about 10 pounds, going up to 40 pounds. $69.99, 90-day warranty, 6-position locking pin system, lift height max 15.4 inches, lift minimum 10.4 inches, product weight 9.5 pounds for both. So like they said, 4.75 pounds per jack stand. That is nuts if you just need if you want to be able to quickly maneuver your jack stands. They use this to level the trailer. Interesting. Quick assembly, only 2 parts. Is this another Corvette? What is this? Whoop, 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 whoop. And this person was doing work on their Harley Davidson Tri-Glide. Regular jack stands base is too wide and was taking a lot of the space needed to work. These are a little bit narrower, easy to use. You use them the very next day. Great information. Save space in your work area. Oh, here's a good close-up of the saddle. Perfect fit for the adapter I need. Flat top surface, which cradles the adapter needed to support my Toyota in the reinforced area of the floor car as intended and identical to the factory scissor jack. Perfect for the adapter they needed. It looks like these are maybe they're being used on smaller jobs. Nice magnet. Used for a racing trailer. Lightweight construction, ability to collapse and pack them in a duffel bag. So portability, that's pretty huge. Great use. Light but strong. Here it is again, being used on the motorcycle. Very solid, small size. Just what they needed. 3-ton rating assure me that they hold up for many years. Lightweight, easy to use. So these seem like a great option. If you're trying to save some space. Sturdy construction. Equipped with a pin rather than a latch. I have never used these style of jacks before, but I wanted them due to their size, and I figured they would transport better. Any of the Harbros using these? I think I was in the park of these seem less stable, but after reading some of those reviews, lightweight portability of these is very enticing. $69.99. That's the normal price. I'd buy them at that, but at 30% off, getting them down to $49. So $25 per. Well, we don't really do that math. $50 for these 3-ton aluminum jack stands. Harbros, let me know if you've used these, if you prefer these, or if there's any holdups. Get the traditional jack stands, which we're going into. But here first, more traditional, but aluminum as well. Pittsburgh 3-ton aluminum jack stands. $55. 50% lighter than 3-ton steel jack stands, which makes sense. You don't want to be lugging things around, and these are going to be easier to lug around. $55 compared to Arcan. 90-day warranty. And these are the more standard lift height, 16 3/8 inches. Min is 11 3/16 of an inch. Product weight, 4.5 pounds per jack stand. What a deal. What a weight. What a weight. High strength cast aluminum base for easy placement. Self-locking ratchet handle. Of course, 3 tons. Let's see who's using our Pittsburgh Classic. Love the color. Super lightweight. It broke. So they gave it 1 star. So that's dangerous. A steal of a deal. On sale for $40. Simple to use. Easy setup. Lightweight, easy to carry. Great lightweight stands. Outside of that one that busted. Always a little worrisome to see those pictures. But $55 and 30% off, $38. Not a bad deal. We continue to the last but not least, the Daytona. These are the ones I think everybody has. 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. These are in metallic orange, of course, available in the new plum purple. $50 is their normal price. And these are just really nice looking. $50. Of course, 90-day warranty. 16 7/8 max lift height. 11 3/8 inch minimum lift height. Product weight, 16.6 pounds, which is not too bad. About 8 pounds per jack stand. 3 tons, of course. High quality steel. And let's see what surprises they have in store here. A few broken pictures, which is nuts to see. So always keep safety in mind first for any product. Here's a picture of the difference in some of the products. Just want to make sure they match. And here's the investigators going into each one. Doggy not included. Works as expected. Great jack stands for their RV. Solid jacks and purple jack stand. And not much else. Pretty straightforward for the 3-ton jack stands. And at $50, at 30% off, getting them down to $35, which is very similar to the parking lot sale or any of the sales these go on. It's the lowest they've been going recently. Again, they used to go down to $25, but those are all the jack stands. And here are the pads for the 3-ton jack stands at $11. But those are all the jack stands. We went through them pretty carefully. What do the Harbros think? Which jack stands do you have? Which ones do you love? Which ones are you considering getting at the parking lot sale? But I'll leave it at that. This went pretty long-winded. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and or subscribing. You got 2 days left on the 15% off. 4 days only. Let me know how that's going. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.